Wow, this is already maximum. How am I supposed to shower with such a little water? Just drips of water. Now the biggest issue is water. I don't have enough water for bathing, cooking, washing, and I don't have enough water to wash my car. Relax brother, relax, don't get mad. I've been through the same issue, low water pressure, and now no more after I choose Grundfos. Let me tell you more about Grundfos. In 1944, Poul Due Jensen founded a small company in Bjerringbro called Bjerringbro Die-Casting Foundry and Maskinfabrik. In 1945, Poul Due Jensen received an order for a small automatic waterworks, and when he couldn't find an electric pump of satisfactory quality, he decided to develop one himself. The year 1945 marks the beginning of the company's pump activities and is therefore the celebratory year for Grundfos anniversaries. This means the company has more than 75 years of experience in developing pumps and more than 30 years presence in Malaysia. Are you experiencing low water pressure or simply just want to have that extra comfort? Look no further, this is Grundfos, definitely a better choice in terms of water pump. My name is Gorge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Let's go for unboxing. This is Grundfos Scala 1, a self-priming, multi-stage pump that incorporates all the components of a pressure booster into a compact composite enclosure. This pump is definitely suitable for domestic groundwater intake, water pressure boosting, and rainwater harvesting. If you plan to use Scala 1 model 3-45 as a self-priming pump, please be noted that the maximum vertical height for inlet should be 8 meter and for outlet 20 meter. And remember to fill up the water before using. Amazingly, Scala 1 has advanced protection features such as dry running protection that will automatically stop the pump in case of water shortage. Cycling protection that will prevent the pump from starting frequently in case of minor leakages in installation. Maximum runtime protection that will stop the pump after a desired period of continuous operation, preventing potential damages due to flooding in case of pipe breakages. This Scala 1 can communicate with your mobile via Grundfos Go app, which enables detailed pump monitoring and high customization options, making this pump a very good fit for every application. I love it! With Grundfos Go app, you can easily set up Scala 1 into a twin booster system and schedule a pump operation via calendar function. So convenient and easy. Technically, this is Scala 1 model 3-45 with a rated flow of 3.59 meter cube per hour, rated height 25 meter and maximum height 44 meter. For electrical data, P1 max 900 watts, rated power P2 580 watt, 50 Hz 230 volt rated voltage, 4.1 maximum current consumption with the length of power cable 1.5 meter, net weight 12 kg and country of origin made in Hungary by Grundfos. Many of you are worried about the after-sales service provided by different water pump providers, but you need not to worry when using Grundfos pump. Why? All you have to do is register e-warranty online upon your purchasing, and if you have any issues or encounter any requests for services, please call them and write to them, and Grundfos will revert to you within 24 working hours. Okay, so for those of you who are very interested and keen to know more about Grundfos pump, please do remember to follow their Facebook page and Instagram. My name is Gorge and I'll see you in my upcoming ATKC Home Improvement Show. Bye bye for now.